Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make another account on TikTok. Whether you want a separate account for a different type of content or just want to manage multiple profiles, TikTok makes it easy to add and switch between multiple accounts. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First off, adding a new account on TikTok is pretty simple and straightforward. When you create a new account, it behaves as if it were entirely separate from your original account, but it's still technically connected to your main profile. This means you can have multiple accounts without having to verify your identity again, making the process seamless and efficient. To set up in the new account line, open the TikTok app on your phone and navigate to your profile section. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, you'll notice your account name at the top. TikTok allows you to log into multiple accounts and switch between them easily. Tap on your account name and a menu will appear showing all the accounts you're currently logged into. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Account. Tap on this option to proceed. Next, you'll need to choose a method to sign up for the new TikTok account. TikTok offers several options, such as using an email address, phone number, or logging in through a service like Google, Facebook, or Apple. Select the method that works best for you and follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. Once you've completed the sign-up, your new account will appear in the list of accounts under your profile name. You can now switch between your accounts easily by tapping on your profile name and selecting the account you want to use. This makes managing multiple profiles convenient and hassle-free. It's important to note that while you can have as many accounts as you want, each account must be associated with a unique email address or social media account. This ensures that each account is properly authenticated, but it doesn't limit you to just one account per identity. And that's how you make another account on TikTok. It's a simple process that gives you the flexibility to manage multiple profiles and share different types of content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching. Peace.